Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by eliminating simple hardware causes. Do this now. First, inspect cables. Swap the 3.5 or USB lead if uncertain, because a bad jack often mimics software failure. Once done, open sound settings and set the correct playback device as default so audio routes properly. Make sure volume is audible. Check system, app, and any inline knob. If you use HDMI, confirm the TV or monitor input is selected. These steps get you into a working state quickly. Next, you tackle drivers and configuration because most persistent problems hide here. Open Device Manager, update or uninstall and reinstall the audio driver. Use the OEM installer when available to avoid generic mismatches. Once updated, open the sound control panel and set the sample rate to 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz, this prevents pops and sync issues. Also, disable exclusive mode so one app can't lock the device. Finally, to finish, perform advanced verification and a decisive troubleshooting step. Run the Windows Troubleshooter and restart the Windows Audio service to clear stuck processes. This often restores sound without reinstalling. If problems persist, try an alternative output like a USB headset, Bluetooth speaker, or external DAC to determine if the onboard codec is faulty. If still unresolved, boot into safe mode or a Linux Live USB to check if the issue is the OS. If audio works there, you know drivers or settings in Windows are the cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.